What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you follow me, you will know that I have taken up a challenge to give you 7 types of transition tutorials in 7 days. Of course, in Capcut. Today is the day 1 of this 7 days challenge. So, I will teach you basic to advanced transition. Since today is the first day, therefore today I will teach you basic transition. So let's start the video. Today we will learn how to make mixed transition in Capcut. I know that mixed transition is already in transition section, but it's very leggy, so we will learn how to make it smoothly in Capcut. So let's see the preview of before and after. Now open Capcut. That's it for today's video. See you on next video.